Welcome to SleepSpace, where the goal isn't one perfect night. Instead, it's about building a pattern for deeper sleep and better mornings. 3 things matter most at the start. First, set your bedtime and wake time goals. Sleep thrives on rhythm, and even small consistency gains help you fall asleep faster. Second, complete your daily tasks on the Today screen. These tasks aren't random. They train your brain and body for better sleep. This approach is based on sleep science principles. Third, track your nights to spot patterns. Tracking helps replace guesswork with clear data. Sleep gets easier when you understand your habits. You can connect devices through Apple Health and other integrations, but the best setup is the one you use consistently. SleepSpace works best when it's part of your nightly rhythm. Dr. Dan, SleepSpace's founder, reminds us that sleep improves through repeated cues. Stable wake times, predictable wind downs, and starting sleep sessions teach your nervous system. It's about the rhythm, not heroic effort. If you have a rough night early on, don't see it as a failure. It's just more data to learn from. Patterns beat anecdotes in sleep science. Tonight, try setting your bedtime, wake time, and wind down reminder. Start your sleep session before bed to begin your sleep rhythm. Consistency is key to better sleep over time.